Now let's look at how to perform Shift programming language. Basically, the reason why I had chosen Shift programming language is it's a pure iOS oriented programming language which is used by the Apple. And yeah, well, it's most of the Apple apps are being developed with the help of using this particular Shift programming language. Well, once upon a time, they used to use an Object C, but now also they are using, but it's quite I mean the ratio of using that particular language is something small when compared to the Shift. Shift had been introduced very newly, and and they are using that programming language massively. That's the reason I had chosen that. And well, if you have an own MacBook, that particular MacBook only can perform the Shift programming language, or else you can't. But I'm having a Windows, so how can I perform it? I'll show you. With the help of using this rebel.it, I can perform the coding stuff which is related to Shift programming language in the online itself. Previously, done even the Ruby also here. Now let's look at the Shift. Whatever you maybe you can perform the JavaScript and other sort of things, TypeScript, C, C++, HTML or Rust. And yeah, now let's look at the Shift. We need to choose this, and then we need to create REPL. Now it will get an interface. So yeah, we need to wait for some time. So here we got an interface, and now here what we need to do is we need to simply perform some coding stuff which is related to the Shift programming language. So what I'm gonna choose import first of all, and then I'm gonna choose foundation. Before choosing foundation, I'd like to say one thing: the first letter merchant should be capital. Okay. Yeah. Here I had chosen the foundation, and then next let's simply print with the help of using this print statement. I mean print, and then let's whatever it may be. I'm going to print hello world, right? So as in this way, if you want means you can simply run it and we'll get a proper output. We need to wait for some time. Well, yeah, we are getting, we need to wait for some time. Yeah, here finally we got hello world in this particular way. And then not only this way, also we can do it in another way with the help of using variable. So now let's do variable, and then I'm gonna take simply p as the name of the variable, and yeah, I'm gonna say in the hello world, simply hello world, and then let's do one thing. Let's print p here itself. Print let's print the p, because p is a variable, right? So no need to give any sort of pitch here. Okay, see here we got the hello world. So as in this way we can perform a simple hello world coding in the Shift itself. Now let's do some other sort of things. Now let's take another variable. Let's do some coding stuff, mathematic coding stuff. I'm going to take variable w is equals to, I'm going to take as 1, and then variable z is equals to okay, let's take 4. Here let's take 2. Now it's quite fine, right? And then okay, just a second. Up to here everything is fine, and now let's do some sort of things like we need to print. Let's print w plus z. Okay, now let's run it and let's watch whether what sort of output are we going to get. So we got 6, because 2 plus 4 is 6, right? So as this way we can simply perform the calculation oriented operations. We can also print we can also use subtractions, we can also use multiplications and other sort of things, and then let's do all those things together. Okay, yeah, well, now let's do multiplication. Okay, and then now let's do some percentile, some division, other sort of things. Print z. Let's do some percentile related things here, and let's do even the division also. So those are all the things which we can perform here. Now let's run it and let's wait for the output. Yeah, here we got all those things. See, this is a subtraction, and this is output which we got for the multiplication, and this is the output which we got for the percentile. In the finally we got the division or values. So this is how we can perform various steps of calculation oriented operations, and this is how we